Hello and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 4 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is ChargeDNA's 5.0 Plus X5 battery charger and maintainer, which is a professional grade smart charger designed to deliver 5 amps of output for 6-volt and 12-volt lead acid batteries. Next is Carlisle Tools' Hyper Step Point drill bit set, which is a 29-piece set that includes sizes from 1/16 inch to a 1/2 inch in 1/64 inch increments. Our third tool is Killer Tools' Ultimate Digital Tram, which is designed to easily deliver laser accuracy from 1.2 inches to 94 inches with an SAE and metric digital readout. Finally, our last tool is the Hazette filled bag, which contains 51 tools, including a 1/4 inch smart holder tool holder, a 6-piece screwdriver set, plus space tester, and more. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. As always, if any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issues by following links below. See you next week.